Hey guys, welcome back to Snapfic. Today I am going to do a quick open box review on this landscape lighting. Over the years you can see they come in different makes and models for solar light anyway, and this one is this is the one that we picked up at Costco, and it looks kind of cool. The design kind of cool because it's claimed to have a rotating light, so we can't really see it or test it until it gets after dark. So I'm going to do a quick review. This is an honest review, and I'm going to show you the after dark effect when I install it and way after dark, so I can show you the video of it. Okay, so let's go and quickly open this and go ahead and install it in the landscape and along the walkway, and to see how it looks. So it's just pretty normal, come in a pack of 4, and this is actually on sale, so it is one of the good Costco finds. So that's what we have. This is the 4, and of course this first thing I noticed is actually metal. So I'm not sure if it's claimed to be rust proof, but we'll see, okay? And of course there's a light for solar. And on the bottom, it's just for the stick. You put it in like so when you install them. And this is the stick for you to put it on the ground. So it's fairly easy to install. I mean, most of them are fairly easy, because it's coming solar. You don't need the electrical wire or anything like that. Stick it on the ground, wait for the sun to come up, charge it, and it will automatically turn on at nighttime. Okay. So this is the stick. It comes in like that. And you stick this on the ground and you put it like so. Okay, then that'll come in like that. All right. So let's go ahead and install this in my walkway, and I will go ahead and show you the after dark effect. All right, guys, I'll see you in a bit. All right. So this is the end result. I put up the lights. As you can see here, that looks pretty cool. It looks pretty awesome. And it is swirling around. You can see that movement. So there you go, guys. Hope you see that helps, and hope to see you next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. See ya. Bye.